Here it is, the Extreme Shock Eliminator 8H 5th Gen. You will get cleaning kit, dust sticker, and screen protector. Well, the installation is pretty easy. Start by cleaning your device's screen thoroughly, and then use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any fingerprints, smudges, and dust. Carefully peel the screen protector and align the screen protector with your device's screen. Once aligned, use a squeegee to gently press down and flatten out any visible air bubbles. And if you are a newbie and don't know how to apply screen protector, here is a pro tip for you. Well, you can use phone case as your alignment tools pretty easy. You don't need any fancy alignment tools. Just grab your phone case and turn it into your personal alignment guide. As you can see, there is a dust particles. Calm down, we can sort this out. First step, peel the corner of your protector and use dust removal sticker to remove any dust particles that create bubbles in your protector. Then use squeegee card to flat out your protector surface. If there is any dust in your protector, just repeat the same process until you're satisfied. Now your screen is all set and good to go. Pair it with X.One case for extreme protection for your device.